I received a package from Stockholm, Sweden. Let's open it. Bert, the opera buffalo. Oh, Bert. Here we go. Oh, Bert, I love this so much. And look at this. Look at the roses. I absolutely love this bird. Look at that. Okay, now to display. I found the perfect spot to display it. I'm going to use these glue dots to make sure that it sticks, and let me tell you, this was some sticky business. But check this out. Bert, I absolutely love this. I cannot express how much. And I highly suggest you go over and check out the Opera Buffalo. And see, this is what I'll see every time I walk into my studio. Thank you, Bert. You are one in a million.